I am the luckiest guy in the world. I am Csaba Marcas, an artist. I paint paintings. I use a white canvas and I put magic inside. This is why I have the magic hat. I came from Budapest, Hungary. I am a Hungarian-born artist, but I am living in the United States now, 43 years. I grown up a communist oppressive system. We get free healthcare, but was very low quality. When I went to dentist, they did not fix my teeth, they just pulled that. And I was little child, and every year they pulled that teeth. So when I reached 18, already 9 tooth missing from my mouth. I had lots of problems. I could not even chew in the both sides. I always chew in the one side. And when I was talking to the people, I was not that confident because I did not want to show them my denture or my teeth. But after, when we made this complete job, I got freedom. I did not have distraction. I could eat, I could chew. That is fantastic. He is a magician also, not just me. What was the most surprising things when I met first time Dr. Parker? He's an Orange County dude. He's surfing, he's smiling, he's confident. His office is the most high-tech. Everything is perfect. Looks like you go in the next century. The next century dentist care. Now I don't have problem and probably I will live longer, 10 or 15 years, just because he fixed my dental conditions. Okay. Were I worried? Yes, I was. But the procedure was more simple, more healthy, more painless than I ever thought. People are usually afraid to go to the dentist. But Dr. Parker is not just a dentist. He is a human being. He concentrating 100%, 110%, and very confident and very knowledgeable. And every friend that I have, I recommend Dr. Parker to them.